Good morning, folks, and a good one it is, because look what we have on the agenda for today. Oh man, that looked good, doesn't it? So we're gonna be taking care of all the covers today. Got the primary, got the derby covers, got the trans case, got the cam covers, we got all the good stuff. So might even actually be taking care of the forward controls too, which would be really sweet. But just look at these, man. Look how nice. And we, of course, are sticking with the Willie G Skull theme. That thing looks so sweet. Oh my God, just imagine how much this bike is gonna change with that on. You know, if you guys know anything about me, I love this black and chrome. So, more of that, the better, right? It's already looking pretty good, man. We got the Willie G grips on there, mirrors. We got some other Willie G parts, but I forget which ones. And this is just gonna make it look all that much better. All right, so naturally we gotta start draining all the fluids before we start taking covers off, otherwise we'll have a big mess. Probably gonna be starting down here. Found the drain plug right there. Oops, sorry, right there. And actually we got this nice oil pan. And this is pretty cool. Drains down into here. And you can pour it right back into a bottle or something to dispose of it. And this will stop anything from, any unwanted pieces from getting into the actual drain pan.
I'm gonna raise the bike a little bit, so be careful. Give me a rag.
Sure.
The one that's over there. So this is a crank sensor. Okay. This is your crank sensor, crank positioning sensor, so it tells the computer like where's the crank in reference to everything, you know?
Yeah, okay.
It's for timing and stuff like that, so.
All right, well, first we gotta get these controls off. So we're taking the shift lever off for now. I think we can actually just hand loosen that. Nice. Okay. There we go.
Okay, so that's off. All right.
Taking off the front pegs because we're putting on the forward controls, so we got to get rid of the mids first, and also we got to get this case off anyway, or this cover off anyway. And well, obviously it's going to be a little difficult to do if we got the mid control pegs in the way. Okay, there you go.
What did it say, 9/16 and 11/16 before? What did they say?
I don't know, I think like 5/8, 3/8, and 11/16.
Cylinder reservoir.
Can't wait to give this thing a wash. Oh my God, that is filthy.
With O-ring and then new polished screws. This is a good time to do this because nothing's in the way.
Yeah.
Looks good. Garbage. That was in there for a while. I'll pull that out. Pull that. Put all this together over there. Yep. And then we're gonna have to take off this. And then you just unscrew the shaft. Now you see where that one is gonna go on there.
Yes, we have much longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a lot more comfortable with these forward controls on.
You know what the dealer wanted to give me?
Can't wait to see that. Sucks, I can't. Oh boy.
So that's how the inside looks, buddy.
Yeah.
So you have your, you can record this if you want.
Yeah, I've got it going.
Yeah, so you have both your gears, right?
Yep.
You got your
The
cam
tensioner.
chain tensioner. And that kind of just applies pressure to the chain so it doesn't jump on you.
Yeah, yeah.
But it looks good. Everything looks good.
Nice. Very nice looking.
Yeah. And you got this one too.
Make sure it's all snug. Don't want any leakage. All right, on goes the cover. It's gonna look really nice. Complete the Willie G set we got.
Yeah. I don't see any threads in there, do you?
Yeah, I see it. Oh wait, actually, no, I don't.
What's on the other cover? Can you bring it over here? I don't know why, but there's no threads on the timer cover right here in the holes.
Check that out, guys.
There's no threads.
It's gonna be very hard to see on camera, but there's no way I'm getting this. Hey, you might be able to see it. There really is no thread in there.
I have a tap kit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our own threads.
Okay.
Yes. Well, because we have no other choice.
Right.
It's possible, highly possible, that the threads are there.
Just very.
No, but they're covered in chrome. And I think that's what it is, because this was chrome plated.
Yeah, yeah.
So they might have not covered the holes and maybe chrome got in. Because I realize now that the tap goes easily in there.
Yeah,
you see,
yeah,
so
as
all
if
we're
it's
doing,
already pre-drilled.
that's why we don't see the threads.
Right.
So they're actually there. They're just in the chrome plating process.
Yeah.
Chrome got inside.
Okay.
That's exactly what it is, because see, the tap is going in really easy. So all we're doing
Right.
is
just trying to
cleaning out.
Yeah, cleaning it. All
Right.
right. So keep in mind, guys, if you're getting chrome covers, there may be some chrome coverage on these threads.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so we rethreaded all of the screw holes, and wow, that's looking nice. Now they're going
So
in.
much better, right?
Yeah, now they're going in there with no problem.
Pressure on a Allen key or a star hex. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So this way it doesn't strip out on you.
Check it out, guys. Very nice looking. It's gonna look so good when everything's done. Doing this next. Trans case,
Yes.
cover. And wow, that is gonna look so nice.
Which ones?
Oh boy. Oh yeah. Okay, well that got all over my hands. Very unfortunate. Looks very clean though, which is fortunate. Let me give you guys a closer look. Wow.
Like I changed mine, I put the Mueller on, which makes it easier. Like if you have a hard, heavy clutch, heavy springs, but you don't have that, you got to watch your eyes when you do this. Okay, I'm gonna retain that spring, snap ring, I should say. Hang on a second, I need light here. Okay. So now you gotta be kind of careful with this because there's 3 ball bearings in there that we're gonna need to put back. All right?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Which have to go back. And when you pull this, see the shaft that moves on the ball bearings and it kind of moves up. And we're gonna have to take this piece, put it in the new one. Now we're gonna have to disengage this. Okay, and we're gonna have to take this off. So now we could unscrew.
Yeah, it'll just pull right through there. I see.
It'll pull right through, and then we could put the new cover on. Okay. Okay. Okay, here, lay this, slide it through. And put the new cover on, ever so gingerly. Together. So now this piece will go back in there, because that's where the ball bearings ride on. And then we'll put this piece back on, like so. And we'll lock this piece onto there. That's gonna go like that. But now you have to put these ball bearings back in. And then that's that, okay? So when you pull that clutch, see how that like kind of raises, goes up?
Yep.
And pushes this whole shaft, which disengages the clutch.
Pour it.
Not too nice. To mount up. Okay.
And those nice new controls on there.
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, we just need the correct bit, Torx bit.
Look at that. That's cool looking. Okay.
Cool. All right, let's go on to the next step.
This never ends.
You thought it was over.
Okay. It's got to be over now. Surely. Okay. It's not moving. Okay. Guys, check these out. Oh man, look how sweet these are gonna look. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh my god, yeah. Gonna look real good.
All right, so
check that out. Oh my god.
that's kind of the gist of it, and then we could adjust it from here.
Yep.
You see, to bring that.
Yeah, to bring it
But
further up or down.
We'll worry about that later. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So once you sit on the bike,
Oh yeah. Guys. Oh. How badass, man. Badass. So we got everything Willie G. And you know the best part about Harley Davidson is the customization, man. There's so many different sets you can choose from. Personally, I think the Willie G skull is my favorite. I think it looks the coolest. It's just so iconic. I mean, it's like you see that, you know exactly what you're looking at. Oh man. And look, when we get the pegs on there, oh, how badass is that, guys? Oh yeah, super sweet. And this forward control assembly is gonna give me much more comfort, I think, because it's actually even a little further out than I imagined, which is good. All right, guys, so unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go pick up the pins for these pegs because we actually are switching from mids to forwards, and I guess these are just replacement pegs, so they don't come with the pins. But this is how it would look, and it looks really cool. So we'll take care of that in the future. I just got to stop by Harley and grab the pin, and we should be good. But other than that, guys, look at this. We're only going to be doing the right side for this video, just because it's, you know, we've been working for quite a while, and you know, good to take breaks here and there. But look at this, guys. Oh my God, look how sweet this is turning out. Getting the whole set coming together. Look how good, man. That is so nice looking. I can't wait to get the other side done. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I want to give a huge thank you from Matt from Harley Davidson, as well as Harley as a whole, for making this whole thing possible. They have provided us with all these incredible parts. We are really making an awesome build that is tailored just for my likings, and you guys can do the exact same. If you head over to Harley, you can check out all the amazing sets that they have. Covers, grips, mirrors, all matching sets to really personalize your Harley and make it your own. So that's the best part. I love that about Harley. All these bikes, you never see two that are alike. So be sure to head over to Harley Davidson, get some of these sweet parts for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.